If I imagine a scenario that brings us to very high prices this calendar year, it would probably be because some massive liquidity unlock happened. Like, let's say the US bond market broke, the Fed came in and like basically did yield curve control, kind of QE that they don't really want to be doing, or some sort of big treasury operation twist sort of thing. It would probably take something like that combined with some sort of like de-escalation of tariffs. I never really rule out what Bitcoin's doing. I look at a couple things. One is liquidity is probably going to be somewhat favorable for the rest of the year. And two, if you look at certain valuation metrics, I like to look at the market cap to realized cap ratio, which is market capitalization compared to the average on-chain cost basis. And this current consolidation has taken off a lot of the hype around it. So if you look at the prior consolidation, so Bitcoin reached 73,000 in March 2024, that ratio got a little bit elevated. So it wasn't elevated to the point of like prior like multi-year tops, but it was a little bit heated. And so after about a 7-month consolidation, it pretty much worked off all of that excessive valuation, that excessive hype, kind of allowed the market to consolidate. Then when it jumped to like, 108K, it kind of reached similar frothy levels. The fact that we've been consolidating for several months, not particularly surprising. I think we've worked off a lot of that valuation already. So I think we're at a pretty strong foundation to at least start building from, especially once we get past maybe near-term stock market shocks and things like that.